Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering if Cash App Taxes is right for you in 2025, here's a detailed review covering the pros and cons to help you decide. So stay tuned for full breakdown. Now, Cash App Taxes is a free online tax filing service available through the Cash App platform. It covers federal and state tax filings at no charge, offering a simple and fast solution for many taxpayers. It's especially popular among individuals with straightforward tax situations. Now, pros of Cash App Taxes include 100% free. There are no hidden fees for federal or state returns, easy to use. So the app has user-friendly interface with clear step-by-step guidance. Also, it has audit support, that is, basic audit defense is also included. Then, it has important features like W2 forms can often be imported automatically. Now, it also has mobile and desktop access, so you can file your taxes easily from your phone or computer both. Now, I also have a quick tip for you. Cash App Taxes is ideal for simple tax returns without complex deductions or business income. Now, there are some cons of Cash App too. That is, limited support for complex tax situations. So, if you have multiple income sources like freelance work, rental properties, or extensive investments, it might not cover all forms. Also, there is no live tax expert help. Unlike TurboTax or H&R Block, there's no option to talk to a tax professional. Also, it has limited amendments. That means you cannot amend your tax return through the app once it's been submitted. Also, it is not available in all states for filing certain specific tax situations. So, if you have a simple return and want to file for free, Cash App Taxes is a fantastic choice in 2025. However, if your taxes are more complicated or you need professional assistance, you might want to consider paid alternatives. So, if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.